Honestly, you taxi driver, Tony Liu, I'm gonna sue your ass. Still sober at the moment. Yeah, I just wanna talk about something that happened to me last night. So me and my friend Smala, we went to Fikulima, and like I told them, like, I'm not that type of girl who like going clubbing, but I just go because of them. My friend Mala, Seja, my love, yeah, she took care of me inside there like the whole time. So after there, we went to find a taxi at 777 or standing up. Yeah. So me and my friend Mala, we were in the taxi. Makola, I have a taxi. I told her I have a taxi. Can you drop me first, and then you can go and drop my friend Mala here, cause my friend live at Mangyangi. And he was like, no, it's okay. We're gonna drop the Mala first, and then we're gonna drop you after. She asked him, does he have a family? Does he have any children? He just like turned on the light and like this to the light to us. You are married, and yes, you have kids, and like you don't need to do that. We went and dropped the Mala at home. I told him like I want to go home now, and he was like, gaga kiki. I was like, no, please, I just want to go home. And he's like, is it kakule mumuai lo fiaulia ka mai lai? I was like, okay, faman muli eva velo fi awam ko fio al falea. I was like resting, closing my eyes, like resting to the window. Okay, pupulai fo wo ole kauvalea lungai palisi lungai maunga apaula maunga vaya pakula. What are we doing here? He was like, yeah, come in, we get give. I was like, faman muli, I don't wanna eva, I just wanna go home. And he was like, yeah, why are we talking? Like, you have a wife, you have a daughter, why are we talking? I wanna go home. When he started to touch my leg, that's where I record him. Like, no, I didn't put any videos, but I record his ass. He doesn't know I was doing the recording. Yeah, I was like holding my phone the whole time so I can record him, begging him, please, like, I want to go home. I don't want to stay up here, like, if I was anybody I don't even know. I just want to go home. He tried to kiss me, and I rejected it. Like, he puts his mouth here, like, that's also my long one. And I was like, can you just please get off of me? He assaulted me inside his car, like, and like he tried so badly, like wanting to, you know, do intimate with me, and I said no, because I'm not even a homewrecker. I don't destroy people's family if they have a beautiful family. I'm not that type. I don't like doing that. But that motherfucker, that motherfucker, like, he was like trying so badly, like, to, you know, faapea okay, like, I've heard, like, once you become horny. Like, sorry, when my habit, like, my motto as a drinker, ever since, like, from the time I start drinking, when I drink, I don't like being close with any guy. I don't like being close to them, because there will be only one thing to their brain, is to, you know, to fuck. But me, no. He was trying so hard to have sex with me, and I begged him, please stop touching me, please don't. I just want to go home. So, like, every time he tried to, you know, make his way through me, I just stopped, because I may be drunk, but okay, so I wasn't so happy the way this driver treated me. I was so scared at that moment, and at the same time I was thinking, like, I need to act like normally, because I don't want to be those type of girls who only like they are drunk and then other guys take advantage, especially the taxi driver. Fuck, we all know what's happening. that time, like I was thinking at the same time about myself, what I'm gonna put myself in the situation, am I gonna do it or not, like just to survive. But luckily I didn't do any shit. Like he was trying so bad, but if you to my sister who like walang husband there or your boyfriend, okay, I'm telling you, sister, your husband or whatever he is to you, he's really unfaithful. He's so unfaithful to you. He's a really bad person, assault person. So I was so heartbroken the way that he treated me that time, because I'm a passenger. And also this is what happened, like when I give too much respect to people, they take advantage of that. So I wasn't like, because I have a brain. I don't destroy people's family like that. If you're the father or the mother or the brother or sister of this dude, please, my mom give me a line, my mom look for even like for the wife, my mom give me look for my four. So I think like the way he acted last night, probably I'm not the only girl who did that. So it's really breaks my heart the way people treated me that time, especially this taxi driver, because it was my first time being assaulted by someone like that. And like, I'm so sorry, man. Like, wrong girl you're coming to. I'm not that fucking dumb. Yeah. Sorry dear, wrong girl. That's not me. I feel so sorry about the wife. What your husband is doing here is really, really bad, and he's not a good person. And my sister, if like you're the wife, your man assaulted me in the car while I'm his passenger. Like, all I begged him, please just stop, like I want to go home. I begged him, like I just want to go home. So when I got home, and then like like, okay, I'm gonna call you, okay. So I'm just like putting up all these acts only just to get home. But yeah, get more my taxi when I got home. I'm open my number plate. Yeah, I make his number plate. These are like evidence, so I can sue him. He walk up there, okay, because you were drunk on that night. So you make fuck. I was recording your ass the whole time. So yeah, that's where I'm giving the proof. You were assaulting me while I'm still rejecting you. Please stop touching me and don't stop. Yeah. So when I get home, like I went and like told my parents about it. I cried to them because like it's my first time like that ever happened to me. I said, how do you feel like when someone do that to your own daughter? Like, how would you feel? That's like, if you feel so angry, you just want to kill that person. Yeah, that's how my father like feel when I told them last night. Like, honestly. And whatever thing you can't, because I already recorded the whole thing you did. I was recording it the whole time. I'm really thankful to God nothing happened on that night. Also, I survived on that night. I didn't even know like last night. I'm so thankful to God, like his protection upon me. Like, I know like drinking is not a good thing, but it's like for finishing exams. But to this taxi driver, man, you're fucked up, you motherfucker, and go brush your teeth. You had the nerve to touch me. Like, the fuck? No, like honestly, like my brain on last night, I was like, my mom said, I don't care, like if I get sent to jail because of that. It's like self-defense. I'm defending myself of what you did. But because I was so like defenseless last night, because I don't even have any weapons inside my uncle, but I will do that. I hope like this video will be something for only teach you as a lesson. Like, don't take advantage to girls that are drunk. To the wife and the daughter, I feel sorry for you guys. I really feel sorry for you guys, because girl, your man is really unfaithful and so disgusting. And I hope my video will help all the girls out there. Like, never trusted anyone once you get drunk, and never agree to anything when someone like force you, because that's called like they are disrespecting your body, which I respect my body. Like, that's why I don't like it, like people doing those shit. So when I got home last night, he said, oh, thank you for tonight, it was nice meeting you. I said, fuck you, you know. And he was like, oh, I'm so sorry. Fuck no, don't say sorry, you motherfucker. Like, how the fuck would you do that to me? Like, I just wanted to go home. Like, how the fuck you just touch me like that, like without my permission? Who the fuck are you? And like, he was like saying sorry the whole time. Back, don't say sorry, because I'm gonna sue your ass, because I know your account, your number, because you just called me last night so that you can confirm my number, and also I know your number plate and the stand, your stand. Kauvalea, if you go stand ma for me, I guide to low lengana. But like, honestly, I'm so angry of what you did last night, and I hope that you won't do anything else like that ever again, aside from like don't take advantage on other girls, because other girls, I'm not even dumb. Okay, go taxi stand ma for me. 777 is the taxi stand who's the driver who assaulted me last night. Yeah, and I'm so sorry, but it's just that I really hated what he did, and I feel like I wanted to kill him last night, but I was so defenseless. This also will be a lesson to me. Honestly, you taxi driver, Tony Liu, I'm gonna sue your ass. I'm gonna like put this in the court, because what you did is like really, really disgusting and disturbing in my life, and I'm gonna sue you. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please don't, like, never trust anybody around you when you get drunk, and please love yourself before trying to do something else. Anyways, I love you all guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Thank you.